Hey there, folks. Today, I want to talk about a mind-boggling beverage that might just be the ultimate thirst quencher. You know how we all reach for a glass of water when we're parched? Well, get this, there's a drink that might be even better for hydration, and it's not what you'd expect. Brace yourselves, because we're diving into the world of milk. Now, before you click away thinking I've lost my marbles, hear me out. Joy Bauer, a registered dietitian, has dropped a bombshell: milk, whether skim or whole, is more hydrating than plain old H2O. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But there's research to back this up. Some studies suggest that milk drinkers stay hydrated longer than those who stick to water alone. The secret lies in milk's natural electrolytes, which help your body retain fluids like a pro. What makes this really interesting is the science behind it. Milk contains natural sodium, which acts as an electrolyte, keeping you hydrated from the inside out. And it doesn't stop there. The fat and protein in milk are like hydration bodyguards, ensuring you stay quenched for longer. It's like nature's way of saying, "Hey, I got you covered." This is a game changer, especially during those scorching summer days when staying hydrated becomes a real challenge. You know those times when you're sweating buckets and feel like you're constantly chasing hydration? Well, milk could be your secret weapon. And it's not just for athletes or outdoor enthusiasts, it's for anyone who wants to keep their fluid levels in check. Personally, I find this fascinating because it challenges our basic instincts. We've always been told that water is the holy grail of hydration, but now we have milk stepping into the spotlight. It makes you wonder, what other everyday drinks might have hidden benefits we're unaware of? It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things can have complex and surprising advantages. Now, some of you might be thinking, but I don't like milk. No worries. There are other options for those extra hydrating moments. Bauer suggests water with a salty snack or even coconut water. You can also DIY your own electrolyte drink with a few simple ingredients. So, whether you're a milk lover or not, there's a hydration hack for everyone. In my opinion, this is a great example of how our understanding of nutrition is constantly evolving. What we thought was the ultimate truth yesterday might be updated by new research today. It's a reminder to stay curious and open-minded about our food and drink choices. Who knows what other surprises are waiting to be discovered? So, the next time you're feeling parched, don't just reach for water. Consider giving milk a shot or exploring other hydrating alternatives. Your body might thank you for the extra boost. And remember, staying hydrated is not just about drinking, it's about making informed choices that work best for your body. Cheers to that.